Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing. I'm back out here at the driveway in the back area that I just sealed, just giving you an idea of what you should expect. We came out, we cleaned it. It got cold and rainy, we had to wait. Came back out, rinsed this off right before we cleaned it, or right before we sealed it on a Sunday, and now it's been several days. It's all nice and set and bonded to the concrete. So I'm going to show you a little bit of a difference in how we know that it's been sealed and stuff like that. As you can tell, concrete looks normal, nice and clean. But when I take water, as you can tell, the unsealed area turns dark, the sealed area turns nice and bright, and the water just beads off of it. Isn't that cool? Now that hydrophobic effect will not last forever. It will last for a while. So when it rains, the water's just gonna slide right off. But eventually the hydrophobic effect will wear off, but it will still be sealed. The water will still have trouble penetrating into the concrete. Unlike unsealed concrete turns dark, that's going to stay nice and white. If oil gets on, it's going to be easier to get off. It's not going to want to stick. Nothing's going to want to stick. We used a solvent base, so we used a very high-end sealer for this particular job. Anyway, that just gives you an idea of how that works and what it looks like and what you should expect after a good cleaning and a good sealing. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing. Y'all have a fantastic day now.